Alright, Darkside box breaks. Here we go. This is for the SPX 15-16. That's the first to break, as always. Two teams from this one is going to this one. This will be teams number 13 and 14. So, first we'll do your team list of who's got who. Look, it's a box break that Leo only has one team in. One. Just one. He didn't buy all of these ones. So, we're going to random 3 times to see which 2 teams get in there. 1, 2, and 3. We have New Jersey and Anaheim. They get the free teams. So, the New Jersey Devils are owned by Alfred. And the Anaheim Ducks is Jason B. There we go. 13 and 14. Now it is time to do work. Here we go. Maybe we can get a nice little McDavid puck or something like that. Or something cool. There we go. Look at that. So now it's goodness 154. Look at, there we go. All 10 packs of them. Here we go. So first up we have base Carey Price. Val has a mini heart attack because she has Montreal this time. There's a spacer. Sorry, spacer. Do we have a Rating Verbata? It has a Joe Pavelski. And the first hit is SPX rookie. This one goes to Ed with Florida. It's a Connor, but it's Connor Brickley. Brickley. Could you imagine if his name was Connor Mick Brickley? People would be like, what? Oh no! Alright, next pack. It's like a jersey card or some sort of patch in there. We got a Zetterberg. Whoops, I dropped the camera! Stupid fat fingers. Here we go. We have Martin St. Louis. I can get a peek at what this next one is after this Henrik Lundqvist. It is, oh okay, it is monochromatic. We have this guy, which is Nicholas Backstrom of the Capitals. Logan Couture. Have a Oliver Ekman-Larsson. So we have our monochromatics. It doesn't look like it's numbered. For let me see who's got this team. Let me look. It is Val, but it's not Montreal. It's Philadelphia. Braden Shen. There you go, Val. I carry Price base card and a hit. Look at that. Alright, I got a peek at the other one. So here's Ryan O'Reilly. Get Jonathan Toews. Gabriel Landeskog. We have a super awesome spacer. This one is at a V100. It is a rookie premiere for Brad and the Detroit Red Wings. Andreas Athanasiou. I probably totally butchered that, but that is a hit for Brad. So 3 hits for 3 different people. That's good, I guess. This one looks like another good card. Look at that one. So we got a David Backus. Cor Schneider. Anze Kopitar.
When did Neil tell you about our agreement?
Nugent Hopkins.
When did he tell you?
Doesn't matter when he told me.
Oh, it does.
Ryan
How
Hansen.
long have you been sitting on this information? And
Philip
you never
Forsberg.
told me about it? You could have just
And our last one is a
Honey, that I should just support you no matter what.
for the San Jose Sharks.
That's not how.
I don't. I thought I did.
Rookie fabric. Nikolai Goldobin for the San Jose Sharks.
Some form of regret that you have, but I can't find it.
San Jose has Ryan C. Another hit for another player. It's good. Everybody's getting hits so far.
I'm sorry.
Except for Leo, you know, with that one
I
team.
didn't feel like you could come to me, but it's
We have Palmerville.
Neil owes me.
Stammer for Leo. Tampa.
I want what I need to succeed and to thrive. That is not okay. He left us
Tarasenko.
a long time ago. And Neil calls it blackmail.
This is another rookie fabric, so we'll do that one last.
For what he did to us. A reminder of how lucky he
Badger
was to
Lad.
have his freedom.
Jerome McGinley.
I hate to break up this party, but we haven't.
John Tavares.
Yeah, I'd secure it.
And, ooh, this one's autographed. We got an autographed rookie fabrics out of 400. Who gets this one? Is it somebody different? It is. This one's for Jason Douglas for the Colorado Avalanche. Mikko Rantanen autograph out of 399. There you go. Nice hit for Jason B. Another hit for someone else. Or Jason D. Sorry, Jason Douglas of Colorado. Hopefully no one has a heart attack right now. Mary's Lake. We have a spacer. We have the Kings, Dustin Brown. We have Brent Seabrook. And then we have a SPX rookie for the Philadelphia Flyers and Val with the second hit. Medvedev for Val.
For all this time that we thought Hillary was dead, people thought Devon murdered.
Val gets a second hit.
And Joe framed you for blackmail through all of that.
And I'm Henrique.
They lied to us.
Base. Got the Bernier base. We got the Spracer. This one's the Stick Wizards. But this is Ryan Getzlav. So the Stick Wizards belongs to... Who has this team? Ed! Columbus Blue Jackets. Ryan Johansson.
Mom, have you seen Max?
For Ed.
No mistake.
What? No.
Marco Messier.
We're trying to figure out where he may have gone. So if you have any
Subban.
Actually in my office with his father right now.
Spacer.
Why did you say that when we walked in?
because he
Sidney Crosby. This one's an SPX rookie of Tyler Randall. The Boston Bruins. Boston belongs to... Who does Boston belong to? Boston, Jason B. Mr. Brody, there you go. Shazam. It has a Ben Bishop for Leo. Leo for his base bishops. J.V. Ben. Johnny Gaudreau. Who has Calgary?
like this. There's no reason to run off like that. If you didn't do anything wrong,
Who has Calgary? Let me look.
something to be afraid of, right?
Calgary is Ed, so Ed, you're going to trade that to me. So Brad, this card behind here is yours. I should just not show it to you, but I will. Anyway, it is Dylan Larkin. Shift change card for Dylan Larkin for the Detroit Red Wings. That will be trade fodder for you, for Doug, I guess. We'll still probably want that. Bam.
Tell me before because we're scared.
Brad gets like all the good teams. It doesn't get many hits.
Always love you, Max.
So this one is Eric Carlson.
Nothing's ever gonna change that. Max, look at me.
Ooh. That was sorry, yeah. Claude Giroux, Yuri Hoodler. And the next one goes to, which is the last card in the pack, is going to go to Ryan C. For Pittsburgh. Mario Lemieux. Name on the front. Mario Lemieux. For Ryan C. Not numbered, but not a bad little hit. There you go. I will upload this one.